all of us really wants to have a kind of magnetic, charming and positive personalities. But are there kind of any settings that you tune into this frequency, the personality will be charming. You tune into this frequency, your personality will be magnetic. You tune into this frequency, your personality will be negative. I don't know, but I know that you can change some of your settings inside to make your personality positively impactful. So before I share, I am sure that you know that this is Geeta's Coachshala and you're watching Thursday tutorials with me, where we are committed to bring a 10x change in you along with addressing the changing scenario. So let us quickly dive into the first setting. The first setting is to eat. Eat what? Eat ice cream, fruits, and any kind of food, typical food? No. You have to eat your fears, your inhibitions, your insecurities. Is that so easy? No, it's not that easy. So what you have to do? There is only and only one formula for it. And that one formula is to practice. If you have a fear to ride a bicycle, you can overcome it only and only by riding a bicycle. If you have a fear of speaking in English, you can overcome it only and only by speaking in English. So I think now you must have got it right. So the first point is eat. The second is to drink. Oh my God, what I'm talking about. Drink some cocktail, mocktail or Coke. No, I'm not telling you to drink any of these. I'm asking you to drink from the fountain of knowledge and keep drinking from the fountain of knowledge. But you will say that at one point of time, it will be full and it will be till the brim. So, okay, keep your inflow on, but side by side, start the outflow. That means let the knowledge come inside on the recurring basis and keep the outflow. Start implementing your knowledge side by side. So that's how you can keep this flow like a kind of water, running water. And you know that running water is always fresh. So now you must have got the things right. The first thing is to eat, second is to drink and implement, and the third one is to sit back. Okay, I'm not asking you to relax. I'm asking you to sit back for a while, pause and ponder. Why? Because I'm sure while you implement the things, you are going to face the challenges. It's a must. And when you're going to face the challenges, you have to sit back for a while and split down the challenge to the basic level and then rectify the problem. And when you do that, you are successful in rectifying the problem. You get that confidence in yourself, and that glows in your personality. So the third is sit back. The fourth point is walk the talk. That means what you have to do, you have to just talk about those things which you have implemented. If you haven't implemented anything till now, you cannot just talk around. When you're going to talk around what you have implemented, you will create an influence because you have the confidence in you that you have got the results. So that creates an influence on others and you have an influential personality. So the first point is eat. Second is drink and implement. Third one is sit back for a while, pause and ponder. Fourth one is walk the talk. So these are the four settings you have to do inside, and the rest four I'm going to share in Thursday tutorials next Thursday in Geeta's Coachshala. So stay tuned with us in the upcoming videos, and there you're going to find lots and lots of knowledge, and let it just get inside you and start your outflow as well alongside. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and